Yo, before the video start, I just want to say I'm checking the POV on my phone on the bottom right of the screen, but then somehow I still fucked up the whole POV. But next video, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be better. What's good, YouTube? How everyone doing tonight? I hope everyone is having a great night. It is Tuesday. I'm now coming out from class. Why is that going off? I just got out of class, went to McDonald's for a little smoothie. I was planning to go to the gym, but I was like, nah, never mind. I don't want to go to the gym right now. I just want to go home and relax. I'll go to the gym tomorrow. I don't got class tomorrow, so I could definitely be going to the gym. I just want to get out of here. I hate driving in the city. Damn, that's a bright ass light. You know, we're gonna do this. Oh my gosh, that was so blinding, bro. That blinded the fuck out of me. That was literally the brightest light ever. It was like, damn, like I get it's dark, but you don't need all that light, bro. Come on. Oh, we about to go on the bridge, the Brooklyn Bridge. Amazing. I like coming home from school at night. I'm not gonna lie, it's so beautiful, yo. It's so amazing driving home from school at night. And this is the first ever POV drive I'm doing coming from school at night for you guys. So this is what I see coming from school at night. You know, I'm gonna switch to sports now. Now that we out of that clusterfuck back there. I'm really glad that I went back to school, not gonna lie, because I did take like a long break from like in-person school, because I'm in college. So I did school online a little bit like during COVID, but I wasn't really doing that good because, you know, it was COVID. So I didn't feel like I was learning. I didn't feel like I was learning enough to like get good grades and stuff. So I didn't really do that good. And then I took a break, even after, I guess a little bit after COVID, like I guess in-person school sessions started back up. I still wasn't going, you know. I was like, I got so used to being at home and staying at home during COVID. So I was like, yeah, I don't really want to, I didn't feel like I was ready to be in-person school again, you know what I'm saying? Then I was doing online classes in a different school, and that I was doing pretty good. Then let me see if I remember what happened. I stopped doing online school, then I took a little break. You know, I was antisocial. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna put it out there. I was antisocial until I started going to the gym, and I was becoming more talkative and stuff. So I was able to go to the gym, you know, working on myself, being more confident. That's the word I'm looking for, confident. I've been going for 7-8 months now. But on my my fifth or sixth month of going to the gym, that's when I was like, you know, I'm ready to go back to school now. And then I did it, and I'm still going up to this day. And of course I still go to the gym because I feel like that's what helped me get to this level of confidence that I'm at. I'll just be doing like 30-minute workouts, but tomorrow I'm gonna do like an hour and a half to 2 hours in the gym. I'm so glad the gym exists. Like, whoever invented the gym, shout out to that person. Also, you guys like the red cluster? I changed the color. Last time it was green, but I changed it to red. It looks nice, I'm not gonna lie. I changed it because I got so used to green that the green was getting too old for me. So I was like, I wanted something new. So I either had between yellow or red, and I chose the red. I gotta say, the red looked nice. I was using red at first, but then I saw green. I was like, oh, I never had a green cluster before. Like, I've been using that ever since I got the car. Coming home from school is a whole lot faster than going, cause I leave in the afternoon, and obviously in the afternoon is rush hour time. So, yo, let me tell y'all, today coming to school was crazy, yo. The whole fucking belt packed up. The whole belt is packed. Traffic. I was like, you know, good thing I ain't record a video right there and then, cause it would have been the same thing as my first video, my first POV drive. So I was like, you know what? Let me bring my GoPro with me to school, leave it in the car, and then after school, I'm gonna make a POV drive. Cause at least coming home from school is gonna be better, you know. It's not gonna be as too much traffic, you know. And I'm definitely gonna do it more often. I'm definitely gonna do more POV drive wherever I go. And the thing about driving at night is just so, it hits different compared to driving in the daytime. Like, there's so much more lights at night. Look at that bridge up there. That looks amazing. There's my exit. I hope you guys enjoy that little drive. I'll catch y'all later, and have an amazing night. Peace.